This is one of several precision steel pin gauge sets that we have. This happens to have a range of diameters from 61 thousandths of an inch up to 250 thousandths of an inch, and that's in 1,000th increments. So if you want to measure something like the holes in this part, we can take and find out what pin fits in to that hole. In this case, I'm at 237 thousandths of an inch. 238 does not go in. So these are all numbered. You can see inside the box, they all have the numbers on them. The numbers are underneath the pins, or it's below it. So you got to be really careful you don't get messed up on what number is going with what pin, all right? So in this case, the 237 thousandths pin went in. The 238, had a tough time going in. So I'd actually say it is 238 thousandths diameter hole. The reason is because the 238 goes in, that doesn't go in. That means it's probably size for size. So we're within about 1,000th of an inch measurement on that. A lot of times what we will do though is we'll set up a go and no-go gauge for this. So let's say that there was a limit, right? We have a hole that needs to be between 233 thousandths of an inch and 242 thousandths of an inch. All right, I'd take the 242 pin out and I would set this as my no-go pin. It's like a little collet here. You just sort of put it in at the end. Clamp that tight. Now you've got a no-go end. If I wanted 233 on the other end, I'd put that in this end. Clamp that down, and now I've got a nice go gauge set up. So if I have a hole I'm measuring, this end should go in, this end should not go in, and that's how you tell your range if it fits within that range. So these gauge pins that we have them that go up to 750 thousandths of an inch, but out in industry you're going to find the bigger than that too. So there's different ranges, different types. These happen to be in 1,000th increments. There are others that are usually called Deltronic pins that are in tenths, so they'd be four decimal places. But a very useful tool. You know, it's great for measuring hole diameters.